Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Hello Buddy. This video I will post it to the phylum of the Kingdom Plantae. Okay, as you know that there are total four phylums under topic of Kingdom Plantae. So the first phylum will be Bryophyta. Okay, so this is the content. So we will only focus on Bryophyta under topic Kingdom Plantae. Okay, so what are the biophyta means? So what are the characteristics that biophyta have? So biophyta is a small, simple and non-vascular plants. So it is very small. Now for the plant that is very small and it is very simple and it is non-vascular plants. Non-vascular means that it does not have xylem and phylum. Vascular means like vascular tissue. Vascular tissue is contain xylem and phylum bulb. Now it is non-vascular plant, so this means that this plant does not have xylem and does not have phylum. Okay, so it is mainly found in the damp and shady place, moisture spaces, spaces, and the body is tailless or are differentiated into the leaves and stem only. So it is tailless. Sangat kecil sahaja. Dia bukan macam plant. Macam the body of this plant. If you see this plant, it only have stem and leaf only. It is very small and we call as tailless. Tailless. It does not have the roots one. Dia tak ada roots punya. So the tailless for the plant, the body called tailless. So the whole body of the plant has no cuticle. Okay, dia tak ada cuticle punya. To prevent water loss by evaporation, and this would not hinder the absorption of water through the surface. So that is why this plant only can found in damp and shady places. They cannot found in sunny places one. Sunny places one. Mereka akan ada dalam yang temperature dia tak akan sangat tinggi sangat, because they have no cuticle. If they survive in the sunny spaces, they will automatically die lah, because they have no cuticle to prevent the water loss. The waters will loss immediately. Mereka tak ada cuticle macam flowering plant lain. And then this cause the biophyta has lack true roots, stems and leaves. True roots, stem and leaf. Tu awak tengok daun dia pun macam sikit-sikit, nipis-nipis, stem dia pun nipis saja. Not true roots, stem and leaf. Bukan benar. Tak berbeza dengan plant lain. So biophyta are encoded by the delicate rhizoid, which are long tubular and single cells. Okay, rhizoid are the macam roots lah. Function dia macam roots of plant. Because plant, if you know that plant and core is a support. You need to support the plant. So for the plant, if you know the flowering plant, if you want to support the flowering plant, which part of plant is support the whole plant? Roots, like the roots will support all the plant. If you know that. So that for flowering plant, for tree, if you want to support the plant, want to have the root of the plant must be very strong and flexible, right? Ini part yang support the plant. Similarly, biophyta also need a support. All the plant also need a support. Although it is very small and simple, but it also need to support. If not support, macam mana nak keluar? Because if you know that plant is tak boleh gerak punya. Plant tak boleh gerak. Plant bukan macam animal, dia ada kaki boleh gerak sini gerak sana. Plant hanya boleh letak dalam sana saja. It cannot move anymore. So it must have support. So the support for the biophyta is called rhizoid. Dia macam akar. Dia macam roots, tapi dia bukan roots. Dia sangat macam kecil-kecil, very weak punya lah dia. Macam tu lah boleh kata. So which are very long, tubular and single cell. So it is very simple only. Dia bukan roots. You have to mention it is not a roots, but it looks like a roots. Macam support lah, macam satu support untuk support biophyta. So the whole surface of plant including rhizome can absorb water and mineral salts. Ini yang special punya. If you know the tree for the big plants, if you want to absorb water and mineral salt, siapa yang buat? Roots kan? Hanya ini tempat ini sahaja roots for the transpiration. If you know the transpiration, only the roots will absorb the water and mineral salt and then pass through the root pressure, cohesion, adhesion theory and transpiration pool process until whole part can get the water and mineral salts. But for the biophyta, all the whole surface, you can see this whole surface of the plant can do the whole surface of the plant. It can absorb the water and mineral salt. Ini special lah, special dengan biophyta. Okay. Then another characteristic is the gametophyte generation is dominant. This mean that gametophyte generation more the lifespan of gametophyte generation is higher than sporophyte for this plant. Kalau awak tengok flowering plant, if you learn flowering plant, sporophyte generation is dominant. Sporophyte lifespan is very high, it's very long, but the gametophyte is only short only. But for this plant, gametophyte generation is dominant. You have to remember this. Gametophyte generation is dominant. Okay, and then this one is male gametophyte. For this plant, male gametophyte is called Enteroidea, and for the female is called Encogonia. Inilah Enteroidea is the gametophyte. Gametophyte punya. Ini for biophyta, special for biophyta punya. Tak sama dengan flowering plant. Not all the gametophyte is pollen grain. Each plant for this phylum is Enteroidea, and for the female is Encogonia. Okay, then the sporophyte are attached to its parental gametophyte throughout the sporophyte lifetime, dependent on the gametophyte for suppliers of nutrient and water. So sporophyte consists of food that absorb nutrient from gametophyte and seta conduct nutrient to the capsule. Okay, for this one, the sporophyte, if you see that gametophyte is at the bottom, and sporophyte ini sahaja yang kecil-kecil. You can see the gametophyte is more bigger than sporophyte. Ini terbalik punya. Kalau flowering plant, the sporophyte is more bigger and it will cover inside the gametophyte, right? Gametophyte is within the sporophyte for flowering plant. For the biophyta, the sporophyte is at the above of the gametophyte and it is only kecil-kecil. Awak tengok kecil saja. Kecil saja. So the sporophyte attached to its parental gametophyte. It is attached to the gametophyte throughout the sporophyte lifetime and dependent on the gametophyte for supply, and it is the nutrient for the sporophyte is depend on the gametophyte one. Ini langsung terbalik lah. Memang dia terbalik. The nutrient for sporophyte is depends on gametophyte. Kalau gametophyte tak ada nutrient, sporophyte terus mati lah. Inilah. And then for the this is for the characteristic of biophyta. Okay, and then the example of the genus for this phylum is Polysuchum. Mosses. Moss awak pernah tengok kan? Moss yang awak pergi longkang awak if you go to the longkang yang itu hijau punya, semua hijau punya, inilah mosses. Tapi yang itu kecil punya lah. Kalau awak ada besar lagi macam ni lah. So yang paling penting for biophyta you have to know is it is non-vascular plant, the first point, and then it is only found in damp and shady plants, and then the body shape is tailless, and then the body does not have cuticle, and the plant is anchored by rhizome. Okay, the sixth point is the whole surface of plant include rhizome can absorb water and mineral salts. Okay, the 7th point is gametophyte generation is dominant. The 8th point is the gametophyte sporocyte is depends on the nutrient of the sporocyte is depend on gametophyte. Ini new lah, totally new lah. Ini ialah yang plant form itu sangat kecil. Bukan besar-besar macam awak tengok macam ada tree atau Phylum plant. Ini sangat kecil saja. Like most lah. If you know what is most, you don't know lah. The genus name is Polytrichum. Okay, so that's it for Phylum Bryophyta. So hopefully you can scan this QR code, and hopefully my explanation can make you understand and give you benefit. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.